Hello IG Garage family, is your car struggling to start, misfiring, or showing poor performance? If you've scanned your vehicle and found the P0350 code, you're in the right place. This code relates to the ignition coil primary secondary circuit malfunction, which means your car's ignition system isn't working correctly. In this video, we'll cover what the P0350 code means, where the ignition coil and related sensors are located, and how to diagnose and fix it. And at the end, I'll suggest two related videos, P0513 and P0192, to help you with more engine issues. Let's get started. The P0350 code is a generic obd2 code that indicates a fault in the ignition coil circuit. It means the engine control module, ECM, is not detecting proper voltage signals from one or more ignition coils. This can cause engine misfires, poor fuel efficiency, and even a no-start condition. Symptoms of P0350 include the check engine light being on, engine misfiring or rough idling, loss of power during acceleration, increased fuel consumption, and difficulty starting the car, or a complete no-start condition. Common causes of P0350 are a faulty ignition coil, damaged ignition coil wiring, a bad engine control module, ECM, weak or low battery voltage, and a blown fuse in the ignition system. Where to check for P0350 issues? The ignition coils are usually located on top of the engine near the spark plugs. In a coil-on-plug system, each spark plug has its own coil, while in older systems, there may be a coil pack. Check the ignition coil wiring harness running from the ignition coil to the ECM. It is usually found along the engine bay, near the valve cover or the intake manifold. The engine control module, ECM, is often located near the firewall, under the dashboard, or in the engine bay. If the ECM is faulty, it may not be sending the correct signals to the ignition coils. The ignition system fuse is typically found in the engine bay fuse box. If the fuse is blown, the coils won't function properly. Key diagnostic areas include inspecting the coil connectors for any damage or loose connections, checking for corroded or broken wires running to the ignition coil, and testing the ignition system fuse using a multimeter to see if it's blown. First, check the ignition coils. Remove and inspect them thoroughly. Look for any cracks, burns, or carbon buildup. Then, swap a known good coil with the faulty one to see if the problem moves to a different cylinder. Next, inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for any frayed, corroded, or disconnected wires near the ignition coil harness. Clean and reconnect any loose wiring. Third, test the battery and charging system. Low voltage can cause ignition problems. Use a multimeter to check the battery voltage. It should be around 12.6 volts with the engine off and between 13.8 and 14.5 volts when running. Then, check the fuses and relays. Find the ignition system fuse in the fuse box and test it with a multimeter. Replace it if it's blown. Lastly, test the ECM if necessary. If all other components check out, the ECM may be faulty and need reprogramming or replacement. So, that's everything you need to know about P0350 ignition coil circuit malfunction. If your car is misfiring or running rough, checking the ignition coils, wiring, and fuse box is a great place to start. Before you go, don't forget to check out these related videos, P0513 immobilizer key malfunction, and P0192 fuel rail pressure sensor circuit low. Hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon so you never miss a fix from IG Garage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.